So there's different portals, like I said, and they are accessible to the public, and they provide information on various contracts being tendered by government departments and agencies, like I said. For those of you that is with me, if you can give me some hearts, let me know that you're following me fine here. So there are many online platforms, many tender opportunities from various sources, including government agencies, corporations, and non-profit organizations, subscribing to platforms that can help you access a wide range of contract opportunities in one place. A platform is where you get contracts from, and job offers coming in is contracts once you've applied for them, of course, and you've got to meet a certain criteria. They're going to ask you for everything apart from, drawing blood from you. That's how that's how serious it is, because it's people's lives. Yeah, so they're going to want to make sure your staff members are compliant. What training do your staff members have? What DBS do they have? What additional trainings have they got if it's a specialized contract?